I'm Sarah Lamb. I was just going to go over some brief things about GT geometry with you guys. And a little bit about me. I also teach AP Statistics. It's another course that I highly recommend for my GT kids. They can take it as early as their sophomore year. Even on the course card, even though it says they need Algebra 2, that isn't true for my GT students. We really use Algebra 1, linear functions, and everything else we do on the calculator. So a GT student could definitely be able to do AP Statistics, and I have very successful sophomore students in my class. So something else that they look forward to taking to in their career at the high school level. They will have to double up on math in order to take AP Statistics. So for example, if they take it their sophomore year, they would be taking Algebra 2 GT honors, and they would be taking AP Statistics, or they could do it their junior year or senior year. We really recommend it because just about every college major requires some form of statistics, everything from psychology all the way up to pre-med. But also on the SAT, they have a portion just for statistics, and they won't see it in any of their other courses. So we highly recommend that they take it. I'm also the sponsor of the National Math Honor Society. It's called Nu Alpha Theta. They're all eligible to apply. They can find more information about that on my Google Classroom. There's also a flyer in my room. That deadline is coming up this Friday. And I also sponsor a Got Hope Club. It's a service organization. So I wanted to let you know some of the supports that they have. At home, they should have a blue geometry book. They were all given one. It will have, the traditional things that textbooks have, but it also has extra problems that they can work out. You'll find that in high school, they actually have to start studying for math, which means that they have to maybe make flashcards over their definitions and theorems. They should do extra problem sets, kind of like make a mock quiz for themselves or a mock test for themselves to study. And that is available to them at home. On their Google Classroom, they have a calendar. The calendar is a hyperlinked calendar. So every day when we take notes, I upload the pictures of the notes that we took that day. So if they're out for football or they were sick that day, they can get caught up without having to see me in person. There's also PDF copies of their homework. I even have the answer key for their homework up there. They're supposed to be checking their work as they go, and that way they can see me if their answer doesn't match up with my answer. It's very important that they understand and become self-aware of the mistakes they're making, so that way they don't do it on the quiz or test. That's not the time we want to find out that they don't understand something. So that's something that they should be doing on a regular basis. And then I was just going to talk to you guys a little bit about what makes GT geometry different from honors. And here is also my coaching hours. It's also posted in the Google Classroom and outside my door. So GT geometry is different from your honors geometry because we don't just try to memorize all the theorems and all the formulas. We really spend time on deriving them, understanding why and how they work. So I will guide them in the classroom into some questions that lead them to inductive reasoning or deductive reasoning so that they can discover these theorems and formulas themselves. So like the first 2 weeks of school, we were talking about the distance formula, and I showed them how and led them through that it's really just Pythagorean theorem. And so they don't have to memorize the long formula for a distance formula. They can just apply Pythagorean theorem, which is something that they already know really well. This last 2 weeks, we were working on transformations, and we extended it past just the regular ninth grade level understanding of geometry. We did transformations about a point, not the origin. We discovered some neat observations using patty paper, doing the literal transformations like the rotation or the dilation. And then they worked on trying to come up with an algebraic rule or a function rule that would predict where the point landed. In order to be able to do that, they had to use their inductive and deductive reasoning, and some students had really great success. And that is a skill that is not in the freshman level geometry course. It's more of a pre-cal or even college level geometry skill. So some of them were able to achieve that, which is really outstanding. And our GT students are definitely capable of that. So I try to stretch them beyond that. All of our tests in GT geometry are 2 days long. They mimic what the AP exam is like for calculus or AP statistics. There's a free response section and a multiple choice section. Each section is 90 minutes long. It's on the College Board level. So I'm trying to build up their rigor and stamina in mathematical thinking for long stretches of time. So on the free response day, there's no choices for them to pick from. They have to come up with the answer themselves, and I'm grading not just on the correct answer, but their body of work, just like the AP College Board would do on an AP College Board exam. And then the multiple choice section, I have proportioned it so they have about the same amount of time they would on an AP exam. I have built in SAT questions in everything that we do, and ACT questions, like our notes that we take every day. There'll be some SAT strategies built in. I have bonus questions on quizzes and tests that also highlight SAT higher order thinking questions on there. So if you have any questions or have any concerns or anything like that, please contact me at my email address, slamb, LAMB, @neist.net. Thanks so much for listening.